Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI P60 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first, let's open the box. There is the place for our phone, so let's just open it. Here we can see the SIM jack tool. Also we got the charger, the adapter, supercharge with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable. And let's check also this paper box. So here we got the warranty card, quick start guide, and the safety guides on the silicone protective case in clear color. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comments and subscribe our channel.